Hello kids, today in this video we'll learn alphabets from A to Z, both in capital letter and small letter. So let's get started. So first I'll take orange color. This is orange color, okay? A for apple. This is capital A and this one is small a. A for apple. B for ball. This is capital B and this one is small b. B for ball. This is capital C and this one is small c. C for cat. Okay. This one is capital D and this one is small d. D for dog. Capital E. Small e. E for elephant. Let's take some new color. Dark blue color. Capital F. Small f. F for fish. Capital G. Small g. G for goat. Capital H. Small h. H for horse. Capital I. Small I. I for ice cream. Capital J. Small j. J for jug. Capital K. Small k. K for king. Next I'll take red color. After K it is L. Capital L. Small l. L for lion. Capital M. Small m. M for monkey. Capital N. Small n. N for nose. Capital O. Small o. O for onion. Capital P. Small p. P for peacock. Now I'll take yellow color. Q. After P it is Q. Q for queen. Capital Q. Small q. Q for queen. Capital R. Small r. R for rabbit. Capital S. Small s. S for star. Capital T. Small t. T for tree. Capital U. Small u. U for umbrella. Next I'll take light green color. Capital V. Small v. V for van. Capital W. Small w. W for watermelon. Capital X. Small x. X for Xmas tree. Capital Y. Small y. Y for yacht. Capital Z. Small z. Z for zero. Okay. So hence we have completed our alphabets from A to Z, both in capital and small letter. So practice it and get it perfect from A to Z. So see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.